Taking the LET this 2023, March and September. So what to bring, what to wear, and what to do.
So, kung kayo ay tapos na mag-file ng application for examination at nasa inyo ng iyong notice of admission or NOA, at ang susunod na step ay ang i-verify ng iyong school building. So, assignments at the PRC official website. So, just type sa inyong Google prc.gov.ph at i-click ang X na lalabas dyan sa website. Then, click or piliin ang room assignment tab. At dito mo makikita ang list of room assignment. So, which is posted by the different PRC regional office. So, if the PRC regional office testing center is available, so you may click the view room assignment.
The list of school building assignments, which will be posted at the PRC official website at www.prc.gov.ph, will be posted 2 to 3 working days before the date of examination. On the day of examination, report to the school building assignments not later than 5:30 in the morning. Be punctual because ang mga late na mag-i-exam ay hindi na sila admitted. Examinees are required to wear the following attire on examination day. For male examinees, tuck in white polo shirt without silyo at dapat plain polo shirt siya, and then with decent slacks and black school shoes. For female examinees, tuck in white polo shirt without silyo at dapat plain polo shirt siya, and then with decent slacks and black school shoes. Bring the following on examination day. Official receipt of payment application for examination like this. Bring 1 piece long transparent white plastic envelope for keeping your valuables and other allowed items inside the room. 1 piece long brown envelope. 2 or more pencils at dapat Mongol to siya guys. Ball pen with black ink only. Health forms pursuant to Joint Administrative Order No. 1 Series of 2021. Annex A consisting of 3 pages. Annex B consisting of 3 pages also. 1 page only. Negative RT-PCR test for non-vaccinated or certificate of home quarantine 14 days or photocopy of vaccine card if you are vaccinated. So the security guard will be checking this upon entering the school assignments. Examinees for the secondary level with a major in mathematics may use calculators during the LEPT, provided that such calculators have the following features only: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, trigonometric function, logarithm, and XY. Only 1 calculator shall be allowed inside the examination room, so all calculators shall be thoroughly inspected by the examination personnel. Following are prohibited inside the examination room premises: books, notes, review materials, and other printed materials containing coded data information formula. Cellular phones, earplugs, transmitters, portable computers, smartwatches, Bluetooth, and other electronic gadgets and devices which may be used for communication purposes. Calculators regardless of model or unit for all examinees with majors other than mathematics. Are allowed inside, so any kind of bags are allowed inside. Note, pwede po magdala ng bag sa loob ng iyong examination room, but when the examination starts, no bags allowed sa tabi po ninyo. Ang mga bags ay ilalagay sa ilalim ng blackboard sa harapan. Personal belongings of the examinees shall be surrendered to the proctor and shall be placed in a secured place within the examination room. Joint Administrative Order No. 1 Series of 2021, the following health standards for examinees shall be observed. Observe physical distancing of at least 2 meters between examinees. Examinees shall be restricted to their assigned seat. face mask, at least 3 ply surgical masks, preferably N95 masks or KN95. Bring 70% ethyl alcohol for hand disinfection. Avoid contacts like beso-beso, hugging, handshake, and directly touching other persons. Avoid touching one's eyes, nose, and mouth. Examinees and examination personnel shall bring their own meals, pre-packed meal, snack, and drink to be eaten during their breaks and their assignment seats, so face masks will be only removed when taking meals or drinks. Examinees shall bring their own pens, pencils, and erasers and sharpener. Borrowing from the seatmate is strictly not allowed. Talking and loitering are prohibited in the hallways or in the examination room. Physical distancing shall be strictly observed in the queuing of the examinees entering in the testing venues. Carefully and follow the instructions on your notice of admission and examinee's guide. Note: personal belongings brought by an examinee shall be for his or her own account. The PRC will not be answerable for any such item or personal belonging that might be lost during the exam without fault or negligence on its part. Please subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.